so today we're going to be trying out this slime glue thing. So let's go ahead and get on with the video. So let's go ahead and cut it open first. I never had one of these before, so I'm really excited. Here's the tape. So there's like tape on the sides, so I kind of had to get that first. So, and then I think it opens. I'm not sure. Does it open? Oh, I see another one. Okay, so be careful not to stab yourself. If you're young, you're probably going to need your parents' help. If you're like 8 and lower, so maybe you don't cut yourself. No, hush, it's okay. No, Mama, come here, baby. Come here, Mama. Mo's over there. It's Mo's my cat. Alright, so we have these and the mixing stick in. So there's that. That's all that comes with it. Well, there's no bowl that comes with it, which I thought we would have. So we got the activator. Oh gosh. We use Hold on. I'm not going to say it. You've already had it, then you know. Solution. Oh, never mind. We do got a cup. Okay. And the... Mom, how could you pronounce this? Mom, how could you pronounce this? Come here. Come here, girl. Momo. Yeah, I know, but... Come here. Let me give Mo. Momo. Kiki. Kiki.
She needs more food. Take her to get more food.
Oh, okay.
Can you pause your video?
Hold on. Guys, this is my cat, Mo. She's really pretty. Okay, I gotta go get her some food. Be right back. So guys, I am back. Sorry, yeah. So the first thing it says to do is pour in a whole bottle of the activator. So have this container, the whole bottle. Okay, I think you not need that much. Use a little bit. Then add in the slimy goop. So I got slimy goop. I'm gonna pour it in here. So let me do that. All over the top. Okay, then it says to pour this in, however your people pronounce it. So I'm not going to pour that much in. So then we get the mixing stick and mix it all together. Let me just, I have a lot more activator left. So, see, so here it is, and then I have to go ahead and start mixing it together. So working very well. Ooh, that feels so weird. add more the glue thing, whatever. However they pronounce stuff here. Let's keep adding it in until we fill up. Okay, let's see. Okay. Alright, here it is. Oh gosh. It's like supposed to be gooped. Put that in part of this, I guess. I'm not sure. I think this makes it more. Like, look at my hands, like.
Hey, when you get done making your video, let me know because I want to turn off some music.
Okay. Let's see. Oh, this feels so weird, guys. It's not working that much, if I would say. So let's see. It's like so sticky now, and I feel like it just rips. It's so sticky. Let's just keep mixing it in here. Keep on mixing. Get more of this. You know what? Just give up. I give up. Time to actually open the lid and pull. Whoa. That's a lot. I don't even know if this is a mixing bowl or not, but you know, because it's like so tiny, but it's turning out pretty good, I would say, guys. I'm not positively sure. It's not perfect, but it's like good. I keep adding this. I really wish I could make it like my own way and see if that will work. Because I have a glue and activator. I don't know if that would work, just glue and activator. Okay, this is so sticky. It says non-mess. Oh gosh. We need more activator. Like, badly. Use that. Chopstick is the best way to go. The chopstick's not getting any of it gone, but my hands, it's like that frog. I like feeling like a frog. Anyways, I'm gonna have to stop it for today, so